If DaVinci Resolve is showing you an error message or something is not loading correctly on the timeline, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix that can solve a lot of common problems fast. This is especially helpful if your clips are acting strange, frames are glitching, media is missing, or Resolve is just not responding the way it should. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve fixes and editing tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page, where you can actually see your clips on the timeline. This matters because we want to inspect the project while the issue is visible, instead of guessing where the problem is coming from. If you see an error message, a frozen clip, a missing frame, or playback issues, the first thing to try is clearing the render cache. To do that, go up to the top menu, click Playback, then choose Delete Render Cache, and then click All. This step is important because corrupted cache files can cause weird playback behavior, broken frames, or temporary errors that make Resolve seem like it's damaged, when it's really just cache data getting in the way. Once the cache is cleared, give Resolve a moment to process that change. Next, check your media on the timeline. Look closely for any clips that appear offline, disconnected, or missing. If you notice a media problem, right-click the clip and relink it if needed. This helps fix file path issues, moved media, renamed files, or source clips that Resolve can no longer find. In many cases, an error message is caused by a simple media conflict rather than a serious project failure. After that, the next step is very straightforward but very effective. Restart DaVinci Resolve. Closing the app and opening it again clears temporary states, refreshes the project environment, and often removes whatever was causing the error to appear in the first place. So if the issue was caused by a cache conflict, a media path problem, or a temporary system glitch, restarting can finish the fix. If the error still shows up after that, take a moment to think about the cause. In a lot of cases, these problems come from a generic system issue, a cache problem, or a file conflict in the project. That means the solution is usually not to panic, but to work through the basics. Clear cache, check the media, relink files, and restart the software. These are the fastest first steps whenever DaVinci Resolve throws an error message at you. If you want to be extra safe, also make sure the original media files are still in the same folder, your drive is connected properly, and the project is pointing to the correct source files. Small file changes can sometimes create big-looking errors in Resolve. So to quickly recap, when DaVinci Resolve shows an error message, go to the Edit page, clear the render cache, check your media and relink any missing clips, then restart Resolve to clear any temporary issues. In many cases, that's enough to get everything working again. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve troubleshooting guides, beginner tutorials, and fast editing fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.